Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James the Chart Guys. It is Thursday, January 4th. I'm going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold, again, we've been setting higher highs every daily candle here. As I mentioned in my past videos, we actually dropped to a lower low for the first time since this reversal on the daily by dropping below yesterday's low of 1308.90. You can see that bulls came and bought that dip on strong volume. So that tells me this is going to be our line in the sand now for the near future, is this low at 1307.10. That is a line in the sand that bulls are saying we will defend that line with this strong dip buying. So 1307.10 is going to be an important support to watch for in the future. And I was pretty impressed that the bulls were able to still set a higher high on the daily to end the day. So again, bulls still setting higher highs on the daily. Even after setting a lower low on the daily here, this is our line in the sand. So that's going to be an important future support to look at, 1307.10. Resistance to look at is going to be continuing to be the high of every candle. So if it breaks the high of the daily candles, then you know that bulls are still in control. So tomorrow it'll be at 1327.30 that we watch for as resistance on the daily. Hourly looks like healthy consolidation here, and then bulls breaking out. Draw a line here. Then bulls breaking out on increasing volume here and continuing up. So bulls are still in control on this gold chart until we set a lower high on the daily. And I really like the fact that the daily did have that happen today, where it did break to a lower low on the daily and then bulls bought the dip and then still held to higher highs on every daily candle. That really gives me some support to look at in the near future for when bears may take over. And that 1307.10 for me right now is going to be that line in the sand with the bulls buying this dip and that volume being pretty significant for the bulls on this daily candle on buying that dip. As far as miners go, start with GDX. GDX daily range is getting tighter. Let's see if the hourly what it looks like. So we may be in equilibrium pattern here on miners, where we have a high in now here. We have a new low established, and we'll see if we form a lower high on the senior miners and then a higher low and see if we have some type of equilibrium pattern forming. The support to look at tomorrow, I would look at 23.35 for bears, and of course for bulls, the high of today of 23.74, and then this high at 23.85. And the reason why I'm using after hour charts and price levels as well is because gold trades 24/7. So that's why I do look at the after hour hourly candles as well. Look at the senior miners. Junior miners, same thing. We may be in equilibrium pattern, so move that. Support to look at is going to be the low of today of 34.20 tomorrow, and resistance is going to be, for me, next resistance is going to be the recent high, honestly, at 35.17. If we break 34.20, then I will start looking at 34.02. JNUG. JNUG again. I was looking at this double bottom here of support, 1743, 1743, and even on this big FOMC dump, bears were unable to take out that level of 1743. So 1743 is a pretty key level here, as bulls have defended it twice now, defended it again above it. So that is what level I would watch for to break in the near future if I'm looking for an entry in the inverse bear miners, JDST and Dust. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.